Which did you like better, Jedi or The Empire Strikes Back?
Empire.
Blasphemy.
All Jedi had was a bunch of Muppets.
Boring conversation anyway.
Hey Star Wars fans, and thanks for joining me for another boring conversationary toy review. Today we're doing the Jazzwares Imperial Shuttle. This is one of my favorite ships, and I can't wait to open it up and take a look at it. Alright, I was waiting for this one. This is one of my favorite ships. Right after the Falcon, this is my number 2. I love the shuttle. So let's get into it and see what it's got going on here. So first of all, this is kind of cool here. You got a button here that locks up the ramp. The ramp is really just for show. Doesn't connect to anything, and it doesn't come out that much at all. But when you have the legs down, it balances it with the ramp. So you can see that. Because it's kind of heavy in the front, so it kind of leans, but the ramp stops that from happening. So let's go into flight mode. Put the legs up, hit the button for the ramp, and then we can put our wings down. So you can see that. Kind of handheld the phone right now so you can see the wash looks really good. It looks like Imperial. It's clean, but it's got some dirt to it. It's exactly what you would expect. Now let's take a look on the inside of this. Inside the cockpit, you have seating for 6. 3 rows of 2. 2 pilots in the front, and then 4 more in the back. All right, let's take a look on the inside of the cargo hold. And the easy way I sort of do that is take the wing off, and then you can get this whole piece off, which, there we go. All right, inside, you have seating for 7. The Emperor's throne, and then 6 more seats for guards or pilots or whatever. So we'll take a look at the figures. And here we have the Emperor. As close as I can. That's great detail on his face for such a small figure. Wow. And then we get 2 royal guards. Nice detail as well. So let's put the Emperor into his throne. Okay, here they are all seated. You can see the Emperor there and his 2 guards. This is a great looking vehicle with great detail and paint washes. The only issue I would have is I wish there was more figures for it. There's no pilots. Maybe you throw in some of the Emperor's guys, you know, they were all dressed in purple. That would have been cool. Maybe we'll get some figure packs one day. I'm not sure how they're going to do that, but it looks really cool. I love this ship so much. This is awesome. Hey guys, I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next show. Take care.